Hey subscriber, I'm Sean. This is the Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you about the Kohler generator. So this is the 800 watt generator. So I just want to show you how to adjust the time and date on this one. So when you want to adjust the time and date, you have to go to menu, reset the menu. You click on reset the menu and you move to 14. It's a program mode. You push the menu so it's open. Now you have to go, program mode is off, as you see. Now you have to do it on. So you go to you push this button, you go to local and hit yes and enter, and now you have to go put your code. So I'm gonna put my code and I enter. So enter, accept. So now it's open. Now you have to go to the local, so yes, and you see that program mode is blinking. So now I'm gonna go to time and date, enter, put time and date, menu one more time. Now I can put the date, the time. So let me 9:49. So it puts 0, 9, 49, and enter. So now the time is 9:49. Now we have to go back to the 14. And push enter. Now local, yes, and we push enter and put the code. Put my code, enter, accept. So we go to program mode and change the off to yes, and hit enter. Put the code again. Enter, accept. Now it's off. So now the light was blinking, is off. So everything should fine, and everything is work again. So thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe my channel. I will show you how to fix a problem on your own home. Have a great day.